country would have been left wide open. Millions of people would have died, not 200,000, and one person is too much. It's China's fault. People understand you. 47 years, you've done nothing.
He knew all the way back in February how serious this crisis was. He knew it was a deadly disease. What did he do?
You graduated either the lowest or almost the lowest in your class. Don't ever use the word smart with me. So we built the greatest economy in history. We closed it down because of the China plague. Who wants to shut it down? More people will be hurt. We had 10.4 million people in a 4-month period that we've put back into the workforce. That's a record the likes of which nobody's ever seen before. And he wants to close down he will shut it down again.
He wants to open it up more. Why does he want to open it up? Why doesn't he take care of the American? You can't fix the economy until you fix the COVID crisis.
And you're the worst president America has ever had.
Swine flu. H1N1. You were a disaster. Your own chief of staff said you were a disaster.
My economic plan would create 7 million more jobs than his in 4 years, number one. And number two, it would create an additional $1 trillion in economic growth.
The people of this country want and demand law and order, and you're afraid to even say it.
When Floyd was killed, when Mr. Floyd was killed, there was a peaceful protest in front of the White House. What did he do? He came out of his bunker, had the military use tear gas on him so he could walk across to a church and hold up a Bible. And then what happened after that? The bishop of that very church said that it was a disgrace. The general who was with him said all he ever wants to do is divide people, not unite people at all. This is a president who has used everything as a dog whistle to try to generate racist hatred, racist division. He doesn't want to calm things down. Instead of going in and talking to people and saying, let's get everybody together, figure out how to deal with this. What's he do? He just pours gasoline in the fire constantly.
There has never been an administration or president who has done more than I've done.
He's Putin's puppy.
I believe that we have to do everything we can to have immaculate air, immaculate water, and do whatever else we can that's good. You know, we're planting 1 billion trees, the Billion Tree Project. This is going to be a fraud like you've never seen.
Show up and vote. You will determine the outcome of this election. Vote, vote, vote. If I win, that will be accepted. If I lose, that will be accepted.